Very great trip. Swam with dolphins twice, the snorkeling was great too. The whole team was very nice and relaxed. The only problem, the pickup was delayed by 30 minutes and we had to wait another hour at the boat before it started. That was a bit annoying. Good communication from the start. Pickup from resort was on time. Nice clean boat. All equipment provided except wetsuit which was available to hire. Drinks and lunch no better than adequate but better than the price might suggest. The Red Sea is turquoise, clear and full of amazing fish. Not to be missed. All in all a great day out and fantastic value for money. Good value for money. Would recommend taking more drinks and a GoPro if you want underwater pictures. Expensive to buy their photos. Air conditioning was not working on minivan, so unpleasant journey to the boat. Staff were great on the boat and supportive with snorkeling. Even though I can't swim, I was able to have fun because they lent me a life jacket. When my girlfriend got tired while swimming with the dolphins and had a hard time getting back to the yacht, the guides helped me a lot. The food was delicious and everything was great. The price/performance ratio is super high and it's worth going. Swim in the sea to chase dolphins, snorkel to see coral reefs and tropical fish, and the lunch is also delicious. The crew is also very professional and will ensure your safety in the sea. There are also photographers on board. However, there were a few crew members who knew how to eat tofu and kept teasing us, which made us a little troubled. We were the only Asian group that day, but other than that, it was pretty good. I've done island hopping in many Southeast Asian countries, but this is the best for hopping for 20,001. I was lucky enough to see dolphins. However, they ask for a tip at the end of the tour, but since the amount itself is so cheap, I think it would be okay to just give 200 Egyptian pounds or $5.